In this BitDegree review, I'm going to be showing you a website in which you could be completing all these missions and earn reward. So I'm going to be showing you guys if it's really worth your time. So stick around till the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. And if you want to get my 5 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. So now let's just get started with the video. So basically what BitDegree is that it basically you could be completing all of these tasks and you could be earning rewards. That is basically cryptocurrency. It can be NFTs, it can be tokens, or it can be free airdrops that you're going to be getting as rewards. And after you get these rewards, you could basically convert them into money. So that's how it works. And BitDegree has been there for quite a long time, and it has pretty much good reviews, and it's available in the Google Play Store as well as the App Store. If you want to go check it out, you can check it out. It's in the Google Play Store and in the App Store as well. So basically the way it works is that they have these airdrops. That is one way you could be earning, and you need to be having a lot of bits and a lot of degree in order to get a chance to win the airdrop. So currently the airdrop is at $30,000. So it's season 7 and you can get up to $30,000. So each of these person would get a portion of the $30,000. So that's how it works. So the higher the degree, the higher the bets, the more money you could be making and more possibility of you actually getting the airdrop. And if you're above just like 10,000 bets, you could be getting a portion of the airdrop. So that's how it works. And these guys are in the top 10 list, and in order to get to this level you will have to grind like 16 hours a day on the website. It's probably going to be very hard to get to almost 284,000. So those are some of the high earners, and they might get a lot of the portion of the $30,000. And the people that get up to 10,000 bits, they might get lower tokens or the lower airdrop. So that's what they're going to be getting. So that's one way you could be making money with airdrop. So the another way is that you are going to be completing these missions. So BitDegree has these missions, so you have to ace these missions, which is going to be very simple. So they are going to be asking you basic questions like what is cryptocurrency, or what are the history of cryptocurrency, or what do you think about Web 3.0. So things like that. So what is blockchain, or what do you think about blockchain, what do you think about certain cryptocurrency. So they are basically getting all this information from you. So that's how it works. And after you complete all these questions and you answer them, you're going to be getting paid these bits. And the more bits you have, the higher the degree. If you don't know what bits is basically a token. Like Bitcoin is just a token. A bit is a token which they use in this platform. And the more missions you complete, the more bits you're going to be making, and the higher your degree is going to be. So if you go here, the more the bits you make, the higher your degree is going to be. To get to this level, it's going to be hard. But if you get at least to 10,000 bits, you're going to be getting a part of the airdrop tokens as well. So it's good. And this way you could be ace missions. You could complete all these ace missions and you could get this bits, and the higher the rewards. And also you could be gaining skills as well. So the thing is that these missions are going to ask you several questions about cryptocurrency. Is actually fun. You could get a lot of experience, you could know a lot of things about crypto, and you could know a lot of things about NFT and all of that stuff. So you could be gaining a lot of knowledge in the cryptocurrency space, and you could be getting rewards like from NFTs, airdrops. You could get crypto rewards, you could get tokens, and a lot of other stuff you could be getting. So the higher the bits, the higher the degree, the more money you will be making. So don't think that it's actually very easy to be getting these bits and degree. It's going to be very hard. It's going to be extremely hard because This competition is quite hard. The top competitors are making about 284,000 bits. So in order to get to that level, it's not going to be that easy, and they have an FAQ section as well. You could have a look at them. So this is the way you could be doing. And also talking about the rewards and how you're going to be converting into money. The way it works is, after you complete all this mission and you get these bits, and the higher the degree, higher the bits. So after you get the bits, you could be basically converting into cash by transferring your airdrops and all of that stuff to your MetaMask wallet or your Coinbase wallet. So make sure you have your I have my MetaMask account. I particularly don't use this website or anything, but I have my MetaMask wallet. Or you could be using your Coinbase wallet as well in order to transfer your airdrop or all the money. So that's basically it. And if you ask me how much money you could be making with this BitDegree website over here, I personally think you couldn't be making a lot of money, because how much money you could be making really depends on how hard you grind. You have to be probably grinding 24/7 in order to get to this level, and probably when the 30,000 prize pool reward, it's going to be really hard. I personally don't think you could be quitting your full-time job with this particular website over here. You could be making a little bit money here and there. Maybe if you're lucky, you could get like a $500 coin. Maybe if you're like really lucky, you could get to that level, but it really depends. It depends on your luck and also how much time you grind on this website. So luck and grinding really goes together in this website. And talking about quitting your full-time job with BitDegree, it's not going to happen. It's not that easy, or it won't happen, because you couldn't be making a lot of money, but you have to get to the top 10 in order to make a significant amount of money, which is going to be really hard. So that's what I want to say. So that's basically it. If you look at the Google Play Store, they have quite a lot of good reviews, and the 1-star reviews are pretty low. They have got 4.9 here. And if you look at the App Store also, they have got like 4.8-star reviews, and the 1-star are pretty low. And also Trustpilot. So Trustpilot is basically a website in which reviewers comes and review a website which are not that great and all of that stuff. So I usually don't see 4.9-star review on Trustpilot, but they have got pretty good reviews, almost 2,000 reviews here. And most of them are 5-star review, and the 1-star is only like 4%, which again is pretty good. So overall, BitDegree as a reward website is actually good. They are doing pretty well, but this cannot replace your full-time income. So that's what I'm saying. So that's basically it for this video of BitDegree. If you want to check out my 5 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. You can learn a lot about affiliate marketing if you go to the guide and study it. It's in a Google Doc. All you have to do is just type in your name and email address. I will send to you the doc to your email. And also you could be checking out my #1 recommended system, which has personally helped me. You could do all that by clicking the first link in the description. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.